Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Payal, today will be showing you a Mughlai Baingan Masala subzi. So the first step in making this subzi would be to deep fry the Baingan pieces. So I've cut them into cubes as you can see, and my oil is also hot enough. So let's deep fry, but a few at a time. And we're going to deep fry till it's nice and golden brown in color. They've turned light brown, but wait till they're nice and golden brown in color. So our first batch is ready. Let's drain them on an absorbent paper. And in the same way, we'll deep fry one more batch. So our second batch has also been deep fried. Let's quickly drain it on an absorbent paper. So they have been deep fried and drained. Let's proceed to the next step. So I've taken a non-stick kadai. I'm going to heat some ghee in it. Lots of it. Not some, lots. Mughlai always has a lot of ghee in their cooking. We'll allow this to melt a little. Yes, the ghee is nice and hot. To this we'll add some cumin seeds and we'll saute this on a medium flame for a few seconds. Let the cumin seeds crackle a little. To this we'll add some finely chopped onions and we'll saute this on a medium flame for 5 minutes. Wow, it's smelling so nice of ghee and the onions. Delicious. See, they're turning light brown as you can see, but we're going to wait for some more time. It's been 3 minutes and it's at 5, so 2 more minutes. So it's been 5 minutes and the onions look nice and cooked and changed in color. To this we'll add some ginger garlic paste, chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and 1 cup of water. We'll mix this well and we'll cook on a medium flame for 2 minutes while stirring it occasionally. We've added water because we want a little gravy type subzi. To this we'll add some chopped tomatoes. We're going to mix it well and we're going to cook this on a medium flame for 5 minutes while stirring it occasionally. So it's been 2 minutes. The tomatoes are soft but not really soft, so we'll cook it for 3 more minutes. So it's been 5 minutes and our tomatoes are nice and soft. To this we'll add some tomato puree to give that nice color as well as flavor, sugar, fresh cream to give that creaminess and salt. We'll mix it well and cook it on a medium flame for 2 minutes while stirring it occasionally. It looks so rich and creamy. Now we'll add our deep fried Baingan pieces. We'll mix it well and we'll cook it on a medium flame for 2 minutes while stirring it occasionally. So our subzi is now ready. Let's quickly serve it. So our Mughlai subzi is now ready. We're going to garnish it with some finely chopped coriander. So do make it in your kitchens and serve it hot with some rotis, parathas, naans, etc. and enjoy it.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.